Function overloading. Using the same name for different functions. In C++, it is possible to reuse the name of a function as long as the parameters of those functions are different. This is a simple technique that makes your software better and more readable. Hi, my name is Zen and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have a look at two different kinds of functions and at the technique of overloading in particular. I have prepared two functions today. One is called print string and the other one is print number. So this is a little bit a relic of the past because in C it wasn't possible to distinguish between different functions just based on their parameters or also on their signature. While this one does work, and we can have a look at it, that it does work, so we type in make cxx equals clang plus, and then we just type in main, compile that one, and we see that it outputs what we expect, so it's a one a hello and a 5. But I would consider this bad style, because in C++ you have the possibility to overload functions. That means that as long as those functions differ in their parameters, they can have the same name. So to change this program now, to use function overloading, we remove here the string and we remove here the number, and then we are able to call these functions using the exact same signature. Note that this is possible because here the parameter that goes into this function is an integer, and here the parameter that goes into that function is a const string reference. So these are two completely different types, and the compiler will now figure out the type of the parameter that the function gets called and automatically choose the right function. So if we put a string inside the function, it will call the print string function. If we put the number inside the function, it will call the print number function. And we will compile again and see that this one also does work. So we compile and run it, and we get exactly the same result. However, this is, I think, much better and much cleaner code than before. That's all that I wanted to share you for today. So turn on your machines and get started. As always, you can find the code on GitHub and enjoy coding.